Why be an Amazon affiliate? Hello, welcome, and thanks for choosing this video course. In this video, I'll be talking about why you should be an Amazon affiliate. First of all, let's talk about what is an Amazon affiliate. An Amazon affiliate website is a website created to promote products from Amazon and uses affiliate links to sell these products to consumers who visit the website. Amazon Associates is one of the first online affiliate marketing programs that was created to allow website owners, developers, and Amazon sellers earn money by advertising products from Amazon.com. Generally, these kinds of websites will have a theme or related search keywords, such as cameras, golf equipment, books, and so forth. Affiliates get to decide on the product they want to sell, and then they create posts, reviews, and other things to attract their website readers' interest about that product to send to the reader to Amazon to purchase that product. Website owners and bloggers who register as affiliates get to make money from the referral fees they get when they create links and consumers click through those links and buy products from Amazon. This provides consumers the convenience of referring them to a trusted site where they can immediately purchase the products you advertise on your site. And when they do, you can earn up to 10% in referral fees. So why should you be an Amazon affiliate? It's free to join and easy to use, and it makes money. There's plenty of reasons why the Amazon Associates program is one of the best existing affiliate programs. One of the great things about the Amazon affiliate program is if a reader clicks to go to Amazon through one of your affiliate links, it stores your affiliate code, and anything that they buy will earn you commission. I repeat, anything. This simply means that they don't necessarily need to buy that product you recommended in order for you to earn commission. They can buy literally anything from Amazon, and you will earn commission as long as they are directed to Amazon through your website's affiliate link. It's really common for people to buy more than one item. Regardless of whether people make purchases of the product you recommended or not, statistics have found that a significant crowd of people usually went on to buy all manner of products, other books, electronics, cosmetics, etc., where you will get a commission on each one of them. This is passive income. You earn a commission on anything that a person buys within 24 hours of you directing them to Amazon. Amazon is one of the most widely trusted brands on the internet. The traffic for Amazon has been proven to be one of the most popular shopping destinations online. Readers know Amazon and are familiar with it. They trust it and do spend significant amounts of money there. Tens of thousands of Amazon customers have already set up an account and specifically have a credit card stored on file for speedy checkouts, proving that these pool of trusting, loyal customers usually will not have a second thought on making a purchase. The amount of products on Amazon is what makes it attractive. The wide arrays of products selling on the site allows you to narrow down your options. Amazon has such a variety of products, bloggers with narrow niches generally get to avoid facing the common difficulty to find the right product that matches their blog's focus. For example, certain blogs that only focus or specialize in reviewing a specific product that affordable affiliate programs do not offer. Many bloggers don't have the luxury of being able to choose high-paying affiliate programs that have narrow niches because they simply don't relate to their topics. Therefore, Amazon is a great option to bloggers. Your earnings might come in slower than you can wait, but trust me on this. It will build up as time goes, and when it is established, it will be your constant snowballing income source. The next best thing is the effort needed for this program is pretty minimal. Just by doing reviews, blog posts, adding links to your posts over time. Create as much doorways as you can to direct customers into the Amazon store. Each time you do, you are increasing the chances of people making purchases, and you will get your share of commission. That is literally all you need to do. Attract, direct, earn. And just like any shopping center, the sales during holiday season on Amazon bloom rapidly too. There's a significant bloom in sales whenever it hits holiday season, so the key to making profit as an Amazon affiliate is to aim for times like this. Plan ahead, line up your links and posts a couple of months before, and run specific posts leading up to the holiday rush, like Christmas or New Year's. You'll be sure to earn extra commissions during the holiday season. Joining an affiliate program can be a rewarding experience, but it can also be challenging when you have to deal with choosing what affiliate program is best for you. There are plenty like Amazon, eBay, ClickBank, Microsoft, Avangate, and more. The question here is, which one should you choose? Each has its own advantages and disadvantages. It also greatly depends on your current situation as well as your own personal preferences and expertise when having to create related posts to advertise a product. Of course, you have a choice to promote more than one affiliate site. However, to increase your chances of success, it is highly recommended to focus your marketing efforts on only one affiliate program first, especially if you're a beginner. Once you have successfully established a strong, loyal traffic and consistent income through one affiliate program, perhaps that's the time you can promote the other program. So if you find yourself struggling in choosing between different affiliate programs to work with, you have just landed at the right place. Whether you're new to affiliate marketing or been around for some time, you'll be ready to maximize your income with the right affiliate program. It's time you learn why Amazon affiliate program is better than others. 1. It is comparatively easier to join Amazon affiliate program. At Amazon, joining the affiliate program's pretty easy. Your application will be approved regardless whether you have a website on your own or if your website has quality traffic. You can even use the free blog platforms like Google's Blogger or Blogspot. Quite a number of Amazon affiliates are quite successful even if they don't have a website. The secret here is that the main method of promotion is via advertising. 2. It offers one of the best commission systems. With Amazon, you can easily estimate your earnings. The payment structure is simplified. Earnings of products are based on percentage commission. Therefore, your affiliate income will be calculated as a percentage of the price. However, there are also items where the commission is fixed. Regardless of the price, the amount of commission remains the same. An example is the electronics items like laptops. You'll earn a flat rate of $25 per sale regardless if the laptop is worth more than $2,000 or less than $500. The best thing about the Amazon's affiliate program compensation program is the performance fee structure. Simply understand this concept, as the more sales you make, the higher will be your commission rate. The percentage commission starts from 4% for those with monthly sales of 1 to 6 shipped items per month. It goes up to 8.5% for super affiliates who are able to sell more than 3,131 items per month. 3. You do not have to do a lot of selling yourself. Most of the Amazon products sell themselves. This means that this program does not require you to work hard at selling like you do with digital products. For example, you don't need a sales page or landing page, and you don't need to become best buds with all the top marketers. All you need is your expertise in reviewing the products and advertising it to direct traffic from your blog or website to Amazon. And then it pans out well because the chances of a customer making a purchase upon entering Amazon's pretty high. Most readers or customers already have intention of purchasing. It's just a matter of how many more products they will end up buying. There you have it, 3 excellent reasons why Amazon affiliate program is better than any of the others on the market. Amazon provides you with an opportunity to build yourself an excellent income source with reputable products that are readily available.